time out. Now, to begin with, 75% of growth, it said that's been delivered. So are you now going to look to revise your target?
No, we stick to our guidance of 11,500 crore. I'm sure in 1 month's time we'll declare our Q3 numbers also, and I'm sure that will reinforce that the Q3 the full year guidance is on course. At this moment, we stick to our guidance of 11,500 crores. But overall momentum, what we've seen for last 2 years, especially now exactly 2 years, August 2020, when the housing momentum started, and I think it continues in a very positive way.
Looking like, what kind of growth potential are you seeing? What are your development plans over there?
We are working from a real estate perspective. India is like a nation state. Every Pune behaves very differently from Bangalore. And the high value professionals. Bangalore and Pune are more in the sync. It's trying to understand how we position our brand. And we're in this process, and very good players already present there. And how do we create our niche there in trying to position our product as we will make our mark as we have done in Bombay and Pune.
The other thing I wanted to understand was another with Bain Capital and Ivanhoe Cambridge as well to create.
I think this green infrastructure will play a very critical role there because it's a nation that with this kind of support, we believe that it will at some stage in next 2 to 3 years, we believe it will contribute to at least 10 to 12% of our business. And but we're keeping fingers crossed, and very good response, and we are building on it.
Okay. Now, what we, of course, are seeing is a real estate, but now it's a pent-up demand that is being seen across the country. You are clearly entering new geographies. Which all geographies have you identified? Are you also then have...
Frankly saying, our hardcore currently also are about 80% India's GDP. It is not only the GDP contribution. Bombay itself is a 90,000 crore market. And as I said, that from a real estate perspective, India is a nation state. Bombay itself is a nation state, an eastern suburb here. And we are currently available only in 35,000 crore of the 90,000 crore market in Bombay. And of course, there in every market that we have more than 20% of the market share. Large number of JDAs are Bombay centric. We believe that in next 2 to 3 years, we can enter into at least into 30,000 crore market, which we are not present at all. Although we may seem to be available everywhere, but we are still available only in only 40% of Bombay market. There is 60% Navi Mumbai, western suburb, eastern suburb, where we are not present at all, and we are all our JDAs into those geographies. And we believe that because of the brand strength that we carry, because of the distribution strength that we carry, and the kind of product that we create, and the consumer mind space that we create in the respective geographies, we will be able to at least have 10% market share in those markets. So a lot of business is going to happen from that in the specific East Pune market that we have entered in. We will be entering into at least 3 more geographies in Pune in the coming year. And Pune is very, 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 very confident that they have a very different buying behavior, different consumer behavior. Most of the consumers are double income. So Bombay, we are very confident. We enter into new geographies, especially in Eastern. It's a 20,000 crore market. We'll build a 10% share there. Bangalore,
in Mumbai. Mumbai, in that sense, is a very unique market, right? Where ticket or fair value in a Thane or any of the outskirts or suburbs of Mumbai. I wanted to understand about the luxury end of the market, consider not.
Actually, see, the Bombay starts from, say, 60 lakhs or 50 lakhs. And even the aspirational segment, which in Bombay, we call it about 1 to 3 crores. And is for different geographies, the luxury definitely is different. In South Bombay, the luxury starts from 15 crores. In Thane, it may start from 5 crores. For example, in the first half of the year, from the calendar, the consumers are very different. They behave very differently. For most of the consumers in Bombay of this category are mainly the SME, as the most corporate, so large number of CXOs. And last 2 years, the economy has done well. The stock market has done well. So the CXO challenge, the other learning is that they are very location agnostic. Most of them do not want to go beyond 5 to 7 kilometers of their current stay. So these are the few factors that we have to take into account, but generation will continue. In terms of pricing, we have taken a 5% increase in pricing this year and across the segments. And this category, the The opportunity to increase pricing is more, but capability to take the price increases. And since we have ready to
the game plan, the blueprint for growth. If you had seen a block deal, the day after that, of course, the stock was under pressure. Let's bring how the stock is performing. Thank you so much.